IPL mid-season review. Let's start. Kings 11 Punjab. Their name should be changed to Kings Filmy 11. The entire goal of this team seems to be to revive Priti Zinta's career. So जीते या नहीं, that doesn't matter. But match interesting होनी चाहिए भाई. इसलिए they make 232 runs and still lose the match. Then they let Sunrisers Hyderabad easily score 200 runs. And CSK points में नीचे है. Let them win by 10 wickets. Just make it interesting. Frankly, at this point, it's a wonder that all your bowlers haven't declared mass retirement. And इतना सब कुछ होकर भी you don't let Chris Gayle play. अब एक गलती से मैच आसानी से जितवा दी तो. और एक बताओ, पराए देश में लड़की अकेली बैठे अच्छा लगता है क्या? नहीं ना, बस बिठा दिया गेल को बॉडीगार्ड बनाकर. एनीवेज, द पॉइंट इज मेक द मैच इंटरेस्टिंग. फिर जीती हुई मैच हारो या हारी हुई मैच जीतो, बस कुछ तूफानी करो. इसलिए ऑन वन हैंड when you need 22 runs off of 18 balls, you still manage to lose by 2 runs. And on the other hand, you defeat Mumbai Indians in double super overs. अबे हाँ, सुपर ओवर. सुपर ओवर के साथ तो
बहुत ही आराना लगता है.
नो वर्क एट होम, लेट्स डू अ सुपर ओवर. कांदे के भाव बढ़ गए, सुपर ओवर. गेटिंग बोर्ड, सुपर ओवर. बस, you are about to win the match. Rather than taking a straightforward run, you take a weird circular run, that too short, and super over. Now I do understand. धूप में खड़े रहोगे, काले पड़ जाओगे, ad revenue कम हो जाएगा. So your wife must have warned. Return to pavilion as soon as possible. That's the reason, right? That's the reason why you don't even bother completing your run. So, management has ordered super overs चाहिए तो चाहिए, TRP जो बढ़ानी है. The entire management seems like Arnav Goswami's siblings right now. Anyways, before you start resting players to prevent burnout, at least make sure that you actually reach the second half. पता चला किसी थर्ड क्लास विलेन की तरह मूवी के क्लाइमैक्स के पहले ही मार दिए गए, है कि नहीं?
खुश हुआ.
राजस्थान रॉयल्स, ओह, कभी ठंडा कभी गरम रॉयल्स. फर्स्ट, द ओल्ड लॉर्ड made his presence known. Jofra Archer came and he hit 4 sixes to get 25 runs in just 2 balls. Yes, in 2 balls to defeat CSK. Then we had the crowning of the new lord. After Lord Jadeja, we now have Lord Tavetia. The legend goes, he was suddenly sent on number 4 and he struggled before hitting Coltrane for 5 sixes in the 18th over, making the highest ever chase of 232 possible. Granted, if he didn't waste the first 19 balls, he wouldn't have had to hit those sixes. Well, the fact is, he could have actually become the man of the match for either sides, depending on the result. Anyways, not only did this team break the record of the highest chase in IPL. First, they buried CSK, then they annihilated K11, and then you lose to KKR. Sanju Samson scored 159 in his first 2 games and 17 in the next 4. Against DC, you bring the match down to 39 runs in 5 overs and still manage to lose by 13 runs. And जब गिर पड़ के, when you are just about to win, AB de Villiers आकर 20 बॉल में हाफ सेंचुरी मार के जाता है. ठीक है, fine. You want to lose now, right? At least lose properly now. But no, you easily demolish CSK. कभी सुपरमैन जैसे कैच ले लेते हो तो कभी ललवे कैच भी गिरा देते हो. RR this time has become like that rich guy who buys imported Mercedes and Ferraris. In the first rains, सारी गाड़ियां बंद. फिर वही हमारी पुराना खटारा बजाज, लात मार मार के चलाओ. बेचारे टवेटिया को चलाए जा रहे हो लात मार मार के. चलो, only a few matches are left. Just decide, ठंडा या गरम, इस घोड़े पे या उस घोड़े पे, दोनों पे साथ पे चढ़ोगे ना तो मुंह के बल गिरोगे. दिल्ली कैपिटल्स. This team is the मनमोहन सिंह of IPL. Full on boring. कोई कुछ भी करे, कोई कुछ भी बोले, तुम तो बस अपना चालू रखो. If they lose, it's fine, it happens. If they win, it's fine, that too happens. And even though, given the number of injuries that they have had at this point, list it down. Ashwin, Mishra, Pant, Ishant, and even Shreyas Iyer. Still, this injury capitals have enough depth that they can create an entire separate IPL team. देखो ना, अश्विन got injured, अमित मिश्रा है, अमित मिश्रा got injured, अक्षर पटेल है. बस गर्म किए जाओ, इंजरी की चिंता मत करो. They are boring to the point that the only controversy that happened with this team was when Ashwin didn't mankad Josh Butler this time, like last year. He just threatened, and then he got Butler catch out. Well, Josh Butler could still say that it was against the spirit of cricket to place a fielder in the fielding position where he could get my catch. But that's neither here nor there. मोक्ष प्राप्ति की ओर कूच करती हुई ये टीम आईपीएल ट्रॉफी नहीं तो कम से कम फेयर प्ले अवार्ड तो जीत के जाएगी. What? They are 7th in fair play standing. What the? How? No wonders उन्होंने शिखर तो उनको खुला छोड़ दिया अचानक. बोले
जा जी ले अपनी जिंदगी.
वरना 10-10, 20-20 रन नहीं मार रहा था, अचानक उठ के सेंचुरी मार रहा. Also, no wonders Noche suddenly broke the record for the fastest ball in IPL. And that's the reason Akshar Patel started hitting CSK for 3 sixes in the last over. Well, मोक्ष नहीं तो कम से कम रुतबा ही सही. Royal Challengers Bangalore. Now from the offset, this entire year has been topsy-turvy. Job-going people are sitting at home and kids with nothing to do are roaming around outside. तो बस आरसीबी डिक्लेयर्ड. इस साल सब उल्टा फुल्टा, इस बार कप हमरा. उल्टा फुल्टा तो हुआ. नॉर्मली होता था कोहली तुम आगे बढ़ो हम तुम्हारे साथ है. इस बार कोहली भाई तू हट जा बाकी सब हम देख लेंगे. कभी डेविलियर स्टैंड्स अप टू विन अ मैच, तो कभी बॉलर्स टेक 8 विकेट्स इन 5 ओवर्स टू इजीली विन. तो कभी पडिक्कल. जस्ट अ मिनट, ये पडिक्कल ना बड़ी आड़ी चीज है. The only reason he was picked was that at least he could win his debut match. क्योंकि भाई साहब का रणजी ट्रॉफी, विजय हजारे ट्रॉफी, सैयद मुश्ताक अली ट्रॉफी सब में हाफ सेंचुरी है. Even in IPL, not only did he score his half century on debut, but also repeated it 3 times in the next 4 matches. But विराट कोहली जीतते जीतते टांग अड़ा देता है. Sometimes he sends AB de Villiers late, sometimes he drops easy catches. और कैच ड्रॉप भी किसका? केएल राहुल का, who went on to score 137 runs. Now, I do understand. Just like Dhoni raised Kohli as his successor, Kohli is trying to raise KL Rahul as his. I do understand that. But in the same match, RCB at one point was just trying to chase KL Rahul's score. Forget about the total score. भाई मेरे, किसी ने सही कहा है, प्यार उतना ही करो जितना दर्द सहन कर सको. 97 रन से हारने के बाद, -2 का रन रेट लेने के बाद, भाई इतना प्यार तो किसी से सहन ना हो. सो इस साल कब नेम दे? रिटायर्ड एबी डिविलियर्स को शांति से पेंशन फंड जमा करने दो, और एटलीस्ट इन ग्रुप स्टेज पुट विराट कोहली ऑन बर्नआउट प्रिवेंशन रेस्ट. फिर बड़े स्टेज पे खेलने के लिए तो विराट है ही. कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स. डू यू रिमेंबर? ओरिजिनली एवरीबडी वाज वरीड. व्हाट अबाउट द कार्तिक रसल टसल? अब तो टेंशन ही नहीं है ना भाई. कार्तिक को कैप्टनशिप से हटा दिया, और रसल at this point has become like the appendix of no use to absolutely anyone. I mean, remember that best team on paper? उस पेपर के ना चिथड़े भी नहीं मिलेंगे अभी. पहले पैट कमिंग्स, 15.5 crores, most expensive buy in the history of IPL to play 14 matches. मतलब एक मैच के 1.1 करोड़, मतलब एक ओवर के 27.67 lakhs, मतलब एक बॉल के 4.67 lakhs. अबे कम से कम अपोजिशन को ये बता देते ना तो इतने बेरहमी से पीटते नहीं. और इसके 15 करोड़ देख के ना वहां पे सुनील नारायण भी मुंह फुला के बैठ गया. उसको 15, मुझको इतना ही, जाओ मैं भी नहीं खेलता. And if all of this drama wasn't enough, then I think Morgan should be the captain. This tweet from Srishant was liked by Shivam Mavi. रातों रात मवी को निकाल दिया टीम से. And after 3 days, Morgan was made the captain. अबे if he was to be the captain, why throw Mavi out? इसे कहते हैं उड़ता तीर. तो फाइनली मैच आखिर जीतवाता कौन है? All of Rahul Dravid's Shishya. From Nagarkoti to Rahul Tripathi, from Shubham Gill to Prasiddh Krishna. Everyone from Rahul's under-19 team are keeping KKR's hope alive. पैट कमिंस के 15 करोड़ में से ना 5% बच्चों को देते ना तो पार्टी हो जाती है बच्चों की. जाते जाते एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन. लॉकी फर्ग्यूसन को अब तक क्या घर पे सजाने के लिए रखा था? आते ही 5 विकेट निकाल लिए, पर 36th मैच में. वाह रे वाह टीम मैनेजमेंट, वाह रे वाह. सनराइजर्स हैदराबाद, द ऑरेंज आर्मी. In what world does it make sense that you have last year's orange cap winner who scored 735 runs in 17 matches and you keep him warming the bench? Without him, for all intent and purposes, your tail starts at number 4 with Saha. And Saha, frankly, watching him waste ball after ball after ball makes me truly believe in keeping retired out as an option in 2020. Finally, you let him in the 4th match. And lo and behold, you win. Shocking, isn't it? Good players help you win matches. Revolutionary concept, I know. But with Warner transforming from a pocket bombastic Gale to a left-handed Rahane, I'll just repeat what I said a few weeks back. Your team owners slept halfway making the team. You just don't have enough match winners. And with Bhuvaneshwar Kumar injured, the sun's getting real low this year. Chennai Super Kings. Let me just warn you. Anybody who jokes about this matter, I'm gonna beat up. Now, given the way the year is going, getting a Dhoni review system decision wrong is nothing big, okay? It can happen. But who the hell said that this team is like an old car running on fumes? अबे old हुई तो क्या हुआ, तेरी खटारा से तो बेहतर है ना? And who said that this sixes from Dhoni in the last over after the match is over is like a student studying a subject when the exam is over? अबे repeat करेगा तब तो काम आएगा ना? आए बड़े exam is over. Frankly, I'm just trying to find that one guy who must have told Dhoni that this match is a warm-up match. What? Nobody said that. Then why is he playing like this? Nah. Maybe he's just preparing to make a comeback in Test cricket. Who are you to judge? And those people who say that when Dhoni comes to bat, not just expectations arise, but so does the required run rate. Or that age is just a number, I know, but so is required run rate. Or that required run rate is 15, perfect time for Dhoni to come and make it 20. तुम सब लोग ना बस एड्रेस भेजो कमेंट्स में.
एक एक को चुन चुन के मारूंगा, चुन के
और तुम
मारूंगा.
सब जो रो रहे हो बैठ के कि अंपायर को डरा दिया, यू आर नॉट गेटिंग इट. हुआ क्या ना कि पॉल रफेल इज ऑल्सो अ धोनी फैन. तो ऑटोग्राफ मांगने के लिए हाथ ऊपर कर रहा था, तो धोनी बोला मैच के बाद आना. दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंड. खाली पीली बात का बतंगड़ बना देते हो तुम लोग. और फाइनली ये 2.5 अक्षर प्रेम के वाला पटेल. सुन भाई, क्यों 6 पे 6 मार रहा है? टॉप 4 में है ना ऑलरेडी. बैठना फिर शांति से. इंडियन टीम में आना है कि नहीं तुझे? एंड में आई नो चांसेस कम है. I know even if they win the rest of the matches, चांसेस कम है, आई नो, बट इवन इफ इट वर मैथमेटिकली इम्पॉसिबल, फिर भी ये धोनी है भाई, ये कुछ भी कर सकता। मुंबई इंडियंस, well, everything is going as per the plan. Even though Rohit Sharma has started looking like a poster boy for Amul Butter, and Saurav Tiwari seems to have been bought just so that somebody can use Anant Ambani's old jerseys. To Bumrah seeming to have completely forgotten that there is a ball called Yorker. From batting to bowling to fielding, if IPL is scripted, then the writer sure is a Mumbai Indians fan. There is only one thing I would like to say. Stop with the super overs. Stop with the complacency that pushes you into playing super overs. You can't win them. So just finish the match before the last over and go to bed. Frankly, with CSK out of the way, this season is yours to lose.